Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how to set up the turbo timer through SwD. You will need some plus wire or red and some black. You can use what colors you want. I use those two. You want some good crimpers, a pair of scissors, or just a simple wire cutter. And then you might need some vampire clips. These are not ideal at all, but this is what I use for today, and a X-Acto knife to strip that cables. Over here we have our ordinary Bosch type relay with a solenoid and two outputs, a normally open and a closed one. You can see here I have separated plus. Also I have used a constant plus from one cable to a Y cable onto two pins on the relay, and this is the signal cable from the solenoid output. So let's hook this up for real now. This is how we hook up the cables from the relay. We hook up the keep alive signal from the relay. This is the one the purge solenoid pulls on my setup. So this pulls on pin 110, and then we have constant 12 volts from pin 103 to both this keep alive cable, which is pulled through the relay by the purge solenoid, which is going to pin 62 on here. So when the ignition is going low, the code senses that and pulls it back high to keep alive. This is how it's done to build a turbo timer for your stock ECU on a 1G DSM or a Galant VR4. We need 3 wires, one signal wire, which is the black one from the output solenoid pin, and one feed line for both power on the relay and power back to the keep alive signal on the ECU, and then we have a signal for the outgoing keep alive. So let's hope this camera focuses. It's been flaky all morning. Yeah, so we got focus. You can see it's a single pole double throw relay. It can either be on, or simply off or off, or it can be on off. You choose, you decide. I have chosen 8586. This is the signal from the solenoid, which is pulling the power to the ECU, and also pulling the solenoid to close pins 30 and 87, which is the keep alive pins on the ECU. So let's see if this works. We got normal power. I am using the flash because I am in the garage. So I will start the car. The check engine light is not a fault, it's my IPS simulation. So I will start the timer first and then pull the key. And you can see the key right here. So no key in the ignition, and it should shut off at about 30 seconds total running time. I can throttle it, but I cannot turn on lights. The buzzer will go off and I have no power. Yeah, 33 seconds, something like that, and the power turns off. You can hear the relays click. I will also show the security function of the turbo timer. Once you start the turbo timer and go from on to off and pull the key or let it be hit off, the timer will start. So if you go back and insert the key and turn it back to on and drive off, it will drive like a normal car. But if you shut it off after that 30 second delay, which is customizable of course, the car will die immediately. So if you need to pull the key at a different time, you just go to start the car, off and back to on. Or you can just let the timer elapse and the car will shut off on its own. So let's try this. We get power on all gauges. And we will start the timer. I will pull it at 5. Like so. You should hear the relay click at about 35 or 40 seconds, something like that. So I insert the key back in to save, so I can keep running and running and running. But now the relay clicks, like so. So if I kill the car now, after the relay has clicked or the timer simply has elapsed, the car will die. Like so. Thanks for watching, guys.